Are you tired of feeling awkward and anxious when it comes to starting conversations? Do you often find yourself at a loss for words, unsure of how to break the ice? Well, worry no more. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you through a step-by-step journey to help you conquer your fear of initiating conversations and become a confident communicator. Whether you're in a professional setting, social gathering, or just meeting someone new, we've got you covered with practical tips and techniques that will make starting conversations a breeze. From mastering the art of small talk to building genuine connections, we will equip you with the tools you need to navigate any conversation with ease and grace. So, if you're ready to leave behind those awkward silences and unlock the power of confident communication, let's dive right in and break the ice together. The importance of starting conversations. Starting conversations is an essential skill that can open doors to new opportunities, friendships, and professional connections. Many people underestimate the importance of initiating conversations, but the truth is, it sets the tone for any interaction. By taking the initiative to start a conversation, you show confidence, assertiveness, and a genuine interest in connecting with others. When you initiate a conversation, you create a comfortable and welcoming atmosphere, making it easier for others to engage with you. By breaking the ice, you set the stage for meaningful interactions and foster a sense of camaraderie. Moreover, starting conversations allows you to express yourself, share your ideas, and learn from others. It is through conversations that we exchange knowledge, experiences, and perspectives, which can broaden our horizons and enrich our lives. Overcoming the fear of starting conversations. Fear of starting conversations is a common barrier that many people face. The fear of rejection, judgment, or saying the wrong thing can be paralyzing and prevent us from initiating conversations. However, it's important to remember that everyone feels this fear to some extent, and it's completely normal. To overcome the fear of starting conversations, it's crucial to shift your mindset and embrace a more positive outlook. Start by reminding yourself that everyone has something valuable to contribute to a conversation, including you. Focus on the potential rewards of engaging in conversation, such as forming new connections, gaining insights, and expanding your network. Additionally, preparation can help alleviate anxiety. Before entering a social setting or a conversation, take a moment to mentally prepare yourself. Set realistic expectations and remind yourself that awkward moments are a natural part of the process. By acknowledging and accepting the possibility of discomfort, you can better equip yourself to handle it with grace. Understanding non-verbal cues and body language. Communication is not solely reliant on words. Non-verbal cues and body language play a crucial role in conveying messages and establishing rapport. Understanding and interpreting these cues can greatly enhance your ability to start and maintain conversations effectively. Pay attention to the other person's body language, such as their posture, facial expressions, and gestures. These cues can provide valuable insights into their feelings and level of engagement. For example, crossed arms may indicate defensiveness or disinterest, while open body language suggests receptiveness. Similarly, be mindful of your own body language. Maintaining good eye contact, standing or sitting up straight, and using open gestures can convey confidence and approachability. By aligning your body language with your words, you create an atmosphere of trust and openness, making it easier for others to engage with you. Active listening skills for effective conversations. Starting a conversation is not just about talking, it's equally important to be an active listener. Active listening involves fully focusing on and comprehending the speaker's words, non-verbal cues, and emotions. By practicing active listening, you show genuine interest in the other person's perspective and create a space for meaningful dialogue. To become a better listener, start by eliminating distractions and giving your full attention to the speaker. Maintain eye contact, nod to show understanding, and provide verbal cues such as, "aha," or "I see," to indicate your engagement. Avoid interrupting and allow the speaker to express their thoughts fully before responding. Furthermore, paraphrasing and asking clarifying questions can demonstrate your attentiveness and encourage further discussion. Reflecting back on what the speaker said not only shows that you are actively listening but also helps ensure that you understand their message accurately. Asking open-ended questions to keep the conversation flowing. Asking open-ended questions is a valuable technique to keep conversations flowing and encourage deeper engagement. Unlike closed-ended questions that can be answered with a simple yes or no, open-ended questions prompt the speaker to provide more detailed and thought-provoking responses. When starting a conversation, consider asking questions that invite the other person to share their thoughts, experiences, or opinions. For example, instead of asking, "Did you enjoy the event?" you could ask, "What were your favorite moments from the event and why?" This type of question encourages the speaker to elaborate and provides an opportunity for a more meaningful exchange. By asking open-ended questions, you demonstrate a genuine interest in the other person and create an environment that encourages them to open up. This can lead to more engaging and fulfilling conversations that go beyond surface-level small talk. Finding common interests and shared experiences. Finding common ground is an effective way to establish connections and build rapport with others. When starting a conversation, look for shared interests, hobbies, or experiences that you can both relate to. This commonality serves as a starting point for meaningful conversations and can help create a sense of belonging. To discover common interests, pay attention to the other person's verbal and non-verbal cues. Listen for clues about their hobbies, passions, or recent experiences. For example, if they mention a recent trip, you can ask follow-up questions about their favorite moments or recommendations for future travel. Additionally, don't be afraid to share your own experiences and interests. By opening up, you create an opportunity for the other person to connect with you on a deeper level. Remember, conversations are a two-way street, and sharing your own experiences can help establish mutual understanding and trust. Building rapport and making connections. Building rapport is essential for creating meaningful connections and fostering long-lasting relationships. Rapport is the sense of trust, understanding, and compatibility that develops between individuals during a conversation. By actively working to build rapport, you can create a positive and comfortable environment for both parties. One effective way to build rapport is through empathy. Put yourself in the other person's shoes and try to understand their perspective and emotions. Show genuine empathy by actively listening, validating their feelings, and offering support or encouragement when appropriate. Additionally, find common ground and shared experiences, as mentioned earlier. Shared interests or experiences create a sense of familiarity and can help establish rapport more quickly. By acknowledging and appreciating the other person's viewpoint, you create a space for open and respectful dialogue. Approaching different social settings with confidence. Starting conversations can be challenging in different social settings, such as networking events, parties, or professional gatherings. However, with the right mindset and approach, you can navigate these settings with confidence and ease. In professional settings, focus on the common ground you share with others, such as your industry, current projects, or professional goals. Use these topics as conversation starters and ask open-ended questions to learn more about the other person's work or expertise. By demonstrating a genuine interest in their professional endeavors, you can establish connections that may lead to future collaborations or opportunities. In social gatherings, such as parties or casual events, aim to create a relaxed and friendly atmosphere. Start with light and non-controversial topics, such as hobbies, movies, or current events. Be attentive and responsive to the other person's cues, adapting the conversation as needed. Remember, the goal is to make the other person feel comfortable and engaged, so be mindful of their reactions and adjust your approach accordingly. Practicing and gaining experience in starting conversations. Like any skill, starting conversations requires practice and experience. The more you engage in conversations, the more comfortable and confident you will become. Make an effort to put yourself in social situations where you can practice initiating conversations and interacting with different individuals. Start small by striking up conversations with acquaintances or colleagues in low-pressure settings. Gradually challenge yourself to approach new people or engage in conversations with individuals outside of your immediate circle. By exposing yourself to different social dynamics, you will become more adaptable and skilled at initiating conversations. Additionally, seek feedback from trusted individuals who can provide constructive criticism and guidance. They can offer valuable insights into your conversational style, body language, and areas for improvement. Embrace feedback as an opportunity for growth and use it to refine your approach. Embracing the art of conversation. Starting conversations with confidence is an art that can be learned and mastered with practice. By overcoming the fear of initiating conversations, understanding non-verbal cues, active listening, asking open-ended questions, finding common ground, and building rapport, you can navigate any conversation with ease and grace. Remember, starting a conversation is not just about talking, it's about creating connections, fostering understanding, and expanding your horizons. Embrace the power of confident communication and unlock a world of possibilities. So, go ahead, break the ice, and let the conversations flow.